Hello friends, welcome to C programming tutorials. In this class we are going to learn about string manipulation functions. So why we have these string manipulation functions means in C there is no string data type. String is a combination of characters, so we can handle the string with the help of character arrays. So to manipulate the string we are going to use string manipulation functions. C has several string handling functions. One is string length strlen, string copy strcpy, string comparison strcmp, string concatenation strcat, string char strchr, string str. Now we are going to look into all these functions in detail. So first one, string length. So first function is string length. It computes string length. It computes string length. So example, so this is the string stored in this array A. It stores like this. Engineering. So what is the array name? The array name is A. So the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, the slash 0. Slash 0 is used to identify end of the string. So printf percentage ld str length of A. So now I want to know the length of this string. So how I can know? So by using this str length function, so I write str length. Now it returns a integer number. So what is the length here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It returns 11. So 11 is the output. 11 is the output. Okay. So what is the purpose of strlen? String length. This function is used to find length of a string. So next function, string copy strcpy. String copy means it copies a string to another string. Example, so this is the string B. So this is the string B. So now I want to copy the string A into B. If there is a string data type, then we can use like this: string A equals to engineering and string B equals to A. But so string data type is not available in C. So we can use string copy function. String copy B comma A. So this is the B A. So what is in the A? Engineering, that is stored in B. Okay. So next function, string comparison. String comparison. String comparison function is used to compare two strings. The string comparison function returns three types of values. Either it returns 0 or positive value or negative value. So this function we are going to use compare two strings. For example, I am taking A, B. String compare A, B. Then, so these two strings are the same, so it returns 0. Okay. I am taking another example, char C of 20 equals to C R R. Char D of 20 equals to college C O L L E G E. Okay, now string compare. So it compare these two. C C, yes, so both are same. So next R O. So what is the ASCII value of the R? 114. So what is the ASCII value of O? 111. So 114 minus 111, it returns 3. So that means a positive value. So string 1 is bigger than string 2. If string 1 is D, string 2 is C, then this college is compared with CRR. Now CC, okay. So OR, what is the value of O? ASCII value 111. And the ASCII value of R 114. Now we get minus 3. In this case, it returns negative value and we say that string 2 is greater than string 1. Okay, the purpose of the string comparison is used to compare the strings. This function returns three types of values: 0, positive, negative. If it returns 0, then both the strings are same. If it returns positive value, then string 1 is bigger than string 2. If it returns negative value, then we say that the string 2 is bigger than string 1. Okay, the next function is string concatenation, strcat. String concatenate function is used to concatenate two strings and the result string is stored in the first string. So what it means? strcat c comma d. What is the c? C R R. So what is the d? College. Now it concatenate CRR, CO, LLEZ, CRR college and the result is stored in C. Okay, so printf percentage as C. Now it prints CRR college as a output. The next function is strchr, string character. Searches for the first occurrence of a character. It returns a pointer to the first occurrence of character in a string. So example, strchr a comma I. So what is a here? Engineering is a. strchr a comma I. What is the strchr? It returns a pointer, the first occurrence of a character. So what is the character here? I. So what is the first occurrence? This is the first occurrence. Now, if you want to access this a, the pointer is here. The pointer indicating first location. Now, so what is strchr? It returns a pointer, the first occurrence of the character in a string. Now, strchr a comma I means this pointer moves to first occurrence of the character in a string. Now, it prints INEERING as a output. What is the output here? INEERING. So next one, str. This is similar to strchr function. In strchr function, you are going to use the character here. In this str, you are going to use substring. str function returns a pointer to the first occurrence of a string 2 in string 1. So a is the string 1 and this is the string 2. Now the pointer returns to first occurrence of this string. So where is the in? This is the in. So the pointer goes to here and it prints INEERING as a output. So we see the exact outputs in execution session. I hope you all understand string manipulation functions in C. So now we see execution of string manipulation functions. So this is the string length function, string copy, string comparison, string concatenation, string character, string. Okay, this is the string engineering stored in character array A. Now I want to know the length of the string A. Similarly, I want to copy the A into B. Similarly, this is the C, D, CRR college. I want to compare these two strings. I want to concatenate these two strings with the help of string concatenation function. I want to print the string A with first occurrence of I character. Similarly, I want to print the string A from first occurrence of IN string. So now we are going to execute this program. GCC program 41.c /a.out. Okay. So length of the string equals to 1. So B, after copying, the B is engineering, string comparison CRR college 3, string concatenation of C, D, CRR college, so strchr a comma I, it prints INEERING. Similarly, a comma IN string, then also it prints INEERING.